Welcome to Mama's Priceless Parties. Today I'm going to show you how to make canvas letter art stickers without using a Cricut Maker. It is simple and easy to do, and great for making monogram art. We'll need a couple of things to get started. First, you'll need a printed letter on cardstock. See the description box below in YouTube for the link. Next, you'll need some parchment paper, some painter's tape, a pair of scissors, and a pen or marker. First, we're going to get started by cutting out the letter on the cardstock. We are going to make a template, which then we can use to trace onto the painter's tape. Take your time and go slowly around the corners. For the inside, gently bend it, make a small triangle, and then cut around your edges. It's much simpler this way. Next, we're going to put painter's tape on the parchment paper. So, we're going to go row by row and we're going to slightly overlap the painter's tape. That is an important part so that when we peel the sticker off, it all comes together. You do not have to fill up the whole parchment paper with painter's tape. You can put your letter on and just gauge as to how much painter's tape you need. For this tutorial, I've used an A. Now, you could just use the painter's tape and do vertical lines to make an A and round them. However, I've showed you the way of doing line by line simply so that no matter which letter you use, this method will work. Next, we're going to trace our letter onto the painter's tape. Finally, we're going to cut out our letter from the parchment paper. Again, take your time around those edges and curves. For the center, fold it over, make a slit, and then cut out just like what we did with the cardstock. You can also use the same method and create an image such as a unicorn or a cat or a baseball bat. Now you have your canvas letter sticker ready for your art party. Now, when you're peeling it, simply go to the bottom of where you started so that the whole sticker will come off. And center and place it on your canvas. Now, all you need is paint. Brush strokes, splatter paint, sponge paint, any of them work. The most important part is that the color is along the edges of the image or the letters. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and that your canvas letter art activity and party are absolutely priceless.